Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. Today I'm going to show you how to check graphics card on Windows 11. Here at the very bottom on your taskbar, click on your start icon, but right click on it, and when you right click on this start icon you will find here device manager. Just click into this device manager and it will open window like this. Here in this window find display adapters one, and here you will see the arrow pointing to the right. Just click on this arrow. Here you will be able to see also your graphics card. As you can see, I have first one is Dell Universal Dock. This is not a graphics card, but this is my docking station. But all other ones Intel are UHD graphics. That is one graphics card which my laptop has, an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. This is another graphics card. So yes guys, this is how you can find under your display adapters your graphics card which you have on your laptop or on your PC in Windows 11. And in similar way you can also find what graphics card you have on your laptop or PC in Windows 10. So yes guys, hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.